My name is Ben Hatherley, and I have recently onboarded with Collision Drumsticks. Um, yeah, so I use the Collision 5A nylon tips, and they are very, very good for control of the stick and just overall durability wise. I've used these for about 2 or 3 gigs now, and as you can see, they are a bit battered around the edges, but they are still very, very reliable. I've been playing drums for about 8 years now, going on to 9. Um, I'm only 19 at the moment, so I started just before I was at school. I have come a long way. So when I first started playing, I only had casual lessons with my drum teacher, and he was amazing. He showed me everything that I needed to know. And he didn't like the theory side of everything. He didn't really want to show me all of that side. He'd rather get me playing a good groove, sort of learning songs by ear, and basically working out songs by ear as well. And it just made everything a lot better. I feel like it fell into place a lot more, and with the stuff that I want to do, I found it became a lot easier um, having those skills. Since I had those lessons, I've been to college to do music. I took a BTEC in music performance, which just exceeded my expectations massively. We put on gigs every 3 months, 3 to 4 months at Wedge Rooms in Portsmouth, which was an amazing experience every single time. And it just made life that tiny bit easier for me when it came to sort of being asked to do gigs, and having that experience allowed me to be more prepared for said gigs. And yeah, I can't imagine not doing those gigs. Otherwise, I wouldn't be where I am today. And where I am today is that I'm at BIM University in Brighton, studying music performance and event management. And I have just finished my first year, going into my second year. And the first year has flown by, but it has honestly been one of the best experiences I've had with drumming, with the whole music industry. I've met so many people. I have played with so many people as well, and it's just really, I feel like it's where I belong at the moment, and I feel, this has been the highest position I've been in, with knowing people and the standard of playing that I am. Um, yeah, I say recently, it's almost been a year now. I have I formed a band called Cinnabar, and at the moment we have just recorded 4 songs for our first EP at Salvation Studios, and all we are waiting for is the mix and mastering back, and then we'll be releasing it to the world. Dates aren't quite confirmed yet, but we should have them quite soon. We've played a couple of gigs, and we have by far attained the most audience at those gigs, and it just goes to show that we're doing quite well for the standard that we are at the moment. I'm very happy with how I'm playing at the moment, and mainly because of the collision sticks. They have sort of So I used to use Vic Firth 5A nylons as well. I thought they were quite good, but then I changed over to collision sticks, and these ones right here, they just provide a bit more weight, which I like a lot. And I feel with that, um, yeah, with that, it's just excelled my drumming even more, as I feel like I have more control over what I am playing. And without collision sticks, I probably wouldn't be able to do half the stuff I can, purely because allowing that control. And yes, it did take a while to get used to them, but after that, they've been smooth sailing, and they have been probably the best stick I've ever used. In the future, I am sort of looking forward to playing more gigs with my band Cinnabar. I've also got a few more projects, even solo projects, as well as depth drumming for local artists and sort of upcoming artists as well. I'm looking forward to everything, and I can't wait to continue this endorsement. Thanks very much.
And you need to stick around. You watch the waves come crashing. You watch the waves come crashing down. You kept it secret for some time, and now you're bringing me back down. You watch the waves come crashing down. Let's give it a go. We're not expecting a miracle, so we'll see what happens. Yeah.
All good?
It's fine. All right.
We happy?
Take us away, Ben. I needed something to fill my mind. You washed up on the beach. You watched your dreams get swept away. And now they're out of reach. I never noticed how the lines appear to fade as I get lost. You bring me back into the light. Show me what I had before. When I felt more. You guys ready? You got me the answer was to hide. You need to stick around. You kept it secret for some time, and now you're bringing me back down. Your last for words, your hands are tied. There's something on your mind, feeling you've left your life behind. On the wave you tried to ride, I never meant to chase the sun. I traveled westward to the shore, but each step back and I'll be undone. It always leaves you wanting more. What am I fighting for? You thought the answer was to hide, and you need to stick around. You kept it secret for some time, and now you're bringing me back down. I think some people have been here before. Heard the song once or twice.